How to set up TikTok Lite for first-time users. If you want to set up TikTok Lite for a first-time user, it is fairly simple for us to do so. Now, what we have to do is launch the TikTok Lite app and just go to our profile page. It will ask us to sign up for TikTok. So if you have a TikTok account, that's great. You can go to the login button and log in. And you can use the same account that you have for your native TikTok app. So it's not that you need a separate account for TikTok and another account for TikTok Lite. The only difference is that the account will remain the same, only the application will be different. So if you have a same TikTok account, you can log in with that account. But if not, then you can sign up for TikTok using a Google, Facebook or Apple ID, or you can also create an account independently by going to use phone or email using one of your phone number, or you can just go to your email and enter your email address and tap on next and create your password to sign up. Otherwise, if you have got your Google account link, then you can tap on continue with Google and just select your Google account to log into TikTok. And this way you can easily set up TikTok even as a beginner. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.